Developing better nutrition habits will help you get results from your fat loss program. But how do you do that? That's the question. That's what we're going to answer today in this specific lecture. To start off with, you're going to choose one habit at a time. Not 2 habits, not 3 habits, one nutrition habit at a time. So the success rate with one habit, based on Leo Babauta, he has a book, a whole website actually called Zen Habits, and talked about in a study how 80% of the time, that's your success rate with choosing one habit. If you go on to 2 habits, drops down to 20 to 30%. So you're going to choose one habit to start with. Again, I have a list of habits for you to choose from, but in terms of changing your habits, one habit at a time. The next thing you're going to look at, the habit has to be manageable. It can't be this huge thing where your one habit is to be super strict for such a huge amount of time. You're just going to choose something small, something manageable. So you choose one habit, make it manageable. The last thing, very important thing about this, you have to track it. So if you're tracking this habit, it makes it real. If you just say you're going to work on this one habit, and then a month goes by and you're like, oh yeah, I kind of did it, kind of didn't, that's not really going to help you. So you have to track it. If you choose the habit, you make it manageable, you track it, you're going to have a lot more success with developing new habits. Will this take a little bit of time? Yes, it'll take some time. But this is not an 8-week, 4-week, get in shape as fast as you can, and then you can't maintain it and it's probably not going to work. No, this is a long-term, maintainable fat loss program that's going to help you. If you do those 3 things, that's going to help you have a lot of success. If you can stay accountable to someone else, a coach, a friend, that's also going to help you. So remember, you're just going to choose one habit, you're going to make this habit manageable, you're going to track it, and then get accountability. That's how you end up developing better nutrition habits, which, like I said, super important for results. Even more so than exercising, nutrition changes are key. So that's what you're going to do. Don't forget. Now, there's other lectures coming up that will help you. Take a look at them.